Good morning, class. I am Lakshman Singh with you with our new topic volume and surface area of sphere. So, let us see how to find volume and surface area of sphere. So, first of all, we see what is a sphere. So, sphere is a figure formed by revolving a semicircle about its diameter. If we revolve a semicircle about its diameter, so the solid figure formed will be called a sphere. Then half of the diameter, that is called radius, as we know. So volume of solid sphere, this figure is solid sphere. Sphere means like a ball. This is a ball type thing, that is called sphere. And if we take like bangles and all, that are called circle. So you see, volume of solid sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And surface area, its surface area equal to 4 pi r square. Curved surface, it has only a curved part, single curved part. All over area is curved. So we can say it simply surface area or curved surface area of sphere. Hemisphere. If a sphere is cut through a diameter, we can see this half part, just like making two parts of an apple. So we can see one part, each part is called a hemisphere. So volume will simply half of the volume of sphere. Volume of hemisphere will be half of the volume of sphere. So it will become 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then total surface area of hemisphere. Here we will have two areas. One is this curved part. So this will be half of the total. That will be 2 pi r square. That is called curved surface area 2 pi r square. And total surface area will be this 2 pi r square part plus this one circular part. So that will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square. It will become 3 pi r square. Let us see exercise 21C. Question number 1. Find volume and surface area of a sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter. So we know now volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi, that is 22 upon 7. Radius given 4.2 centimeter. So we have put its cube, 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. That is, after multiplication and division, we get 310.464 centimeter cube. Then surface area, that is 4 pi r square. So 4 pi, that is 22 upon 7, r square 4.2 into 4.2. So on calculation, we get surface area of this sphere is 221.76 centimeter square. Let us take question number 3. Curved surface area of sphere is 2826 centimeter square. Find its radius and volume. So we know that whatever thing is given, here given curved surface area. First of all, we will apply the formula for curved surface area only. So we see here surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. It is given 2826 equal to 4 pi r square. So r square is equal to 2826 divided by 4 pi. Pi value is given in this question. Value of pi is given 3.14. So on solving, we get r square equal to 225. So r is equal to under root 225. R equal to 15. Square root of 225 is 15 centimeter. We have got radius. Now we have to find its volume. So we can see that volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, pi given 3.14, r cube given 15 cube. So here on calculation we will get 42390 divided by 3. So we get volume equal to 14130 centimeter cube, that is 14,130 centimeter cube. Let us take question number 7. How many bullets, each of diameter 1.5 centimeter, can be made by melting a cylinder with base radius 5 centimeter and height 18 centimeter? So one cylinder we are melting and making bullets, spherical bullets. So you see, number of bullets will be equal to volume of cylinder divided by volume of one bullet. So volume of cylinder given pi r square and h, radius of cylinder is given 5, so we put here 5 square into height, that is 18 centimeter, and volume of one bullet, bullet is spherical, so volume of spherical bullet 4 by 3 pi r cube, radius is given, diameter given 1.5, so radius will be 1.5 upon 2, so 1.5 upon 2 into 1.5 upon 2 to 1.5 upon 2. So all this denominators will go up. So we will get 3 into 5 into 5 into 18 into 2 into 2 into 2 upon 4 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 1.5. So we get numerator part 10,800, denominator part we get 13.5. 10,800 divided by 13.5 equal to 800 bullets. So number of bullets will be 800. Let us take question number 11. A copper sphere having a radius 6 cm is melted and drawn into a cylindrical wire of radius 2 mm. Find the length of wire. So here one sphere is melted and making wire will be cylindrical, so volume of cylindrical wire is equal to volume of sphere. Volume will remain same on melting and recasting case, always volumes will be equal. So here volume of cylindrical wire, that is pi r square, that is radius given 2 mm, so it will be 2 centimeter, 2 upon 10 into 2 upon 10 into height, that will be length of the wire, and volume of sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube, radius of sphere is given 6, so 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6, so pi both side gets cancelled, so we get h is equal to 4 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 10 into 10 divided by 3 into 2 into 2, so we get height, that is length of the wire 7200 centimeter. We change this centimeter into meters, 7200 divided by 100, so we get it 72 meters. So length of the wire is 72 meter. Let us take question number 21. A solid wooden toy in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. The radii of hemisphere and the base of cone are 4.2 cm each, and the total height of the toy is 10.2 cm. Find the volume of wood used in the toy and the total surface area of toy correct to 2 places of decimal. So now we can see this figure here given. This is a hemispherical part of the toy and this is conical part of the toy. Total height given 10.2 cm, radius given 4.2 cm. So this much height of this cone will be 10.2 minus 4.2, it will be 6 centimeter. So volume of wood that is used in this toy will be volume of conical part plus volume of hemispherical part. So volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. We can see here 1 by 3 pi r square is common. So h plus 2r is left. Now we will put all the values. 1 by 3, pi value not given, so we will take it 22 upon 7. Radius given 4.2 for both, so 4.2 into 4.2. H given 6 plus 2 into r again given 4.2. So 1 by 3 into 22 upon 7, 4.2 into 4.2, and 6 plus 2 into 4.2. This will become 14.4. So overall we get on calculation 266.11 centimeter cube. Now we have to find total surface area of this toy. So for total surface area, we need to find curved surface part of this cone and this curved surface of sphere. So for curved surface of cone, we need this slant height. So first of all, we find out slant height. L equal to under root r square plus h square. So we get under root r square, that is 4.2 square plus 6 square. So we get 53.64. That square root of 53.64, that is 7.32. Up to 2 places we have written here. Then total surface area is pi r square h, that is pi rl, total surface area. This is cone, so that is pi rl. Pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 4.2, and L we have got 7.32, plus curved surface area of hemispherical part, that is 2 pi r square. So r square means 4.2 into 4.2. So on solving this first part, we get 676.368 divided by 7, plus second part we get 776.16 divided by 7. So we can add, since denominator is same, so upper part means numerator will be added. So 1452.528 divided by 7. So we get total surface area, that is 207.50. So students, in ICSE 2021 exams, this volume and surface area of sphere and hemisphere and spherical cells are removed from syllabus. This we have studied this much because we are not going to study in further in class 11 or 12. So we have studied it for our knowledge. So don't take it lightly. Please study this chapter and solve the assignment. Thank you, class.